Hey folks, so this is the COMFIER Foot Massager, one of the later model releases in their foot massage lineup, and today I'm going to be unboxing this, setting it up and then sharing a few first thoughts with you. Full disclosure, COMFIER did send this to me so that I could make this content. That said, I've actually owned a number of COMFIER massage products, and I've got to say I've always found them to be more than up to the task. They are always performing well for me, and I expect that is going to be the case here with this particular model too. And just to show you a little bit up close here, okay, it does have a fair bit of weight to it. I would say it feels well built. It's a plastic shell design, but it does feel to be decent quality. And if I just flip it around, you can see that there are 4 grip feet on the bottom as well, so it's not going to be sliding all over the place, and will give some protection for your floors as well. And here we have the remote control along with the battery, which I just need to install. We have a radial menu interface here, which I find really intuitive to use, so I'm glad to see that. But we do also have the controls on the foot massaging unit itself, although when you're sitting down relaxing, having this next to you rather than having to bend over is clearly a big convenience. And one nice feature is that these foot sleeves here are easily removable and machine washable. So let's get this set up. I'll share some first impressions and run through some of the features with you as well. Okay, so the unit is now plugged in. It's not got the longest power cable, I will say that, maybe about 1.5 meters or so once it's stretched out. But if I just pop my feet into here, turn the power button on, and it will start with the default settings, which is everything on low. So those settings are knead, air, vibration and heat. And what's great about these is you can actually set all of these independently of one another. Now, one thing I really like about this unit is it's far quieter than I expected, certainly quieter than other foot massagers that I've tried in the past. Some of those sound like you've got a construction work unit at your feet. This, yes, it's obviously making a little bit of noise since it is doing some work, but it is not distracting at all, and it is not very loud, so I'm really impressed with that. Now, I've got the settings on high so I can really feel where that work is being accomplished, and I can definitely feel it across the sole of my foot and also towards my heel as well. On the back of my heel, not so much, and on my toes, not so much. And even though the kneading does feel limited to the sole, which is probably what you are going to want, the air compression is all around your foot, including the tops. So if that's what you're after, then yes, I can definitely feel that. Okay, so I've just skipped ahead. I've been using this for a little while now, sat here, and it's not become irritating at all. Some other foot massagers have done that to me in the past. Kneading especially, I sometimes find can be a little bit much for my taste, but that's not the case here at all. This is absolutely perfect for me. And I've just been using this for another few minutes now off camera, and yeah, it's definitely doing a great job for me, and I can see myself getting a lot of use out of it. Just from a practical point of view, I do want to mention that the maximum foot size that this can accommodate is man US 13, okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay folks, so there we have my first impressions of this COMFIER foot massager. Hopefully the video has been helpful to you. If you yourself are on the lookout and in the market for a unit similar to this, then I would definitely say this model is worth checking out.